I'll be in Wisconsin, where my childhood was found. I've been talking about getting out of town, or out to the mountains, where I can put my anchor down. Gonna get out of town. I'm going crazy. Gotta put my hands to work. I'm thinking maybe I'll find it in the dirt. And it feels strange to me, like I'll never shake in earth. I'm gonna put my hands to work. I'm not afraid of the edge, I'm afraid of the middle, afraid of too much, I'm not afraid of too little or not enough, 'cause all I want is all around. I gotta get out of town. The city's caving, the walls are getting close. I felt it lately, I think it's time to go. My body's aging, I'm young and getting old. I think it's time to go. Not afraid of the edge, I'm afraid of the middle, afraid of too much, I'm not afraid of too little or not enough, 'cause all I want, I think I found, it's all around. I'm gonna see it through, right next to you, with silent sounds. I gotta get out of town. I've been talking about getting out of town. When you're tired and worn, and you feel like you can't go on, I'll be there to put one foot in front of the other. When you've lost your way, oh, the first time your heart breaks, Sister, how do you see me? Am I older now? Do you look down upon me like a penny found? Sister, how do you see me now? Do you see me now? Sister, when will you see me as I